cell. It runs 2 gun drills and 2 reamers. It has an industrial Fanuc robot. It's currently running 2 at a time. As you can see by the robot, it's intended to pick up 2 parts at a time. Currently running the gun drill. The parts will be moved over to the reaming side. Here's where we load material. We load the hopper. The robot picks it up and feeds the gun drill and then pulls the parts over from here. It's doing things right now. Just took the parts out. Blowing out the parts. Compressed air. The robot then picks up the barrels. Drops it into the hopper. There's the finished barrels. So that's these are finished barrels here. We also have a programmable inspection area so that as the parts are running, we can inspect them in real time. Comes with a beautiful air gauge, which is fantastic. Checks rifling and bore. We have a setup fixture to check every linear inch. And this is the button. This is a single button because the button is very quick. It's not a gating item. And this cell can produce about 9,000 units a month unattended.